Overlooked signs your body is full of toxins, plus how to naturally detox. We are living in a world where everything goes fast and we all live fast in modern lifestyle. But this isn't always a good thing. Our bodies are affected with different toxins and harmful substances every day. These toxins and substances are really bad for all of us and our health in general. We all know that we live in a world with polluted air, eat genetically engineered food treated with pesticides and hormones. And the worst thing about all of this is that instead of trying to alleviate this situation, we aggravate it even more by using different medications, drinking alcohol, and smoking. We all put our health in great risk consciously and unconsciously. This is why it's extremely important for you to cleanse our body from all harmful toxins and substances, so that it can continue to function properly. And if you notice any of these symptoms, you should use some natural remedies to cleanse your body or see a doctor immediately. Don't ignore these early warning signs. 1. Headaches. If toxins are accumulated in the human organism, they can affect the central nervous system, thus causing headaches. This is why you should cleanse your body and eliminate all harmful toxins and substances. 2. Increased abdominal fat. You should also know that the presence of abdominal fat is one of the most obvious signs that your body is loaded with toxins. They hinder the ability of the body to regulate the glucose levels and cholesterol. They also alter the hormonal levels in our bodies. 3. Skin problems. The experts claim that the accumulated toxins in the human body can also lead to skin problems. Well, this is probably as a result your body trying to get rid of them by using a natural process. Symptoms: inflammations, itching, or facial redness. 4. Overheating. When the organism is loaded with toxins, the liver tries to eliminate them. But the bad thing is that too many toxins can overburden the liver, forcing it to work harder. This in turn results with the liver releases extra heat, thus overheating the body. 5. Low energy. You should also know that if you have accumulated toxins in your organism, you will feel tired, exhausted, and low in energy. 6. Congested sinuses. The contaminated air affects the sinuses and as a result it can cause congestion of our sinuses. 7. Insomnia. You should also know that if you have high levels of toxins and other harmful substances in your organism, it can obstruct the blood circulation, which results in sleep difficulties and insomnia. 8. Gallbladder difficulties. Accumulated toxins in the liver trigger heavy production of bile, which results with a clogged gallbladder. This is why you should cleanse your body from all harmful toxins and substances. 9. White or yellow tongue. You should be very careful, and if you notice white or yellow coating on your tongue, then your bloodstream is probably flooded with toxins. Cleanse your body or see a doctor immediately. Methods of detoxification. We've mentioned the most common symptoms, and now we are going to show you the most effective methods of detoxification. 1. Epsom salt bath. Have you ever heard of Epsom salt? First of all, Epsom salt is not salt. Epsom salt is a compound of magnesium and sulfate naturally occurring as a pure mineral in the bitter saline spring at Epsom in England. The two minerals, magnesium and sulfate, are easily absorbed by the skin, which makes Epsom salt baths extremely efficient as detoxifiers, with the added bonus of pure enjoyment and relaxation. You should also know that sulfates help in detoxification of the cells by improving the absorption of nutrients and eliminating the metals. And magnesium is extremely important for the human body. It regulates the enzymes' activity, helps the function of muscles and nerves, and prevents artery hardening. Here's how to use Epsom salt to cleanse your body from all harmful toxins. You need to fill your bathtub with warm water, and add a few cups of Epsom salt. Soak for 15 minutes, 3 days a week. This Epsom salt bath is really amazing for eliminating toxins, and alleviating headaches. Note, but you should have in mind that Epsom salt baths are not recommendable for individuals suffering of heart problems and or high blood pressure. 2. Green tea. The medical experts claim that green tea is one of the most powerful ingredients for removing free radicals out of the human body. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, most notably epigallocatechin 3 gallate, EGCG, which prevent toxic damage of the liver. 3. Lemons. We can easily say that lemon is one of the healthiest fruits on the planet. You should also know that lemon works as a powerful detoxifier, and the lemon juice helps and improves the alkalization process of the body. The lemon juice also improves and triggers the bile production in the liver and stimulate minerals intake as well as absorption. Lemon is loaded with vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant and it makes it ideal for boosting the immune system. You should also know that lemons are loaded with antioxidants, particularly the antioxidant called D-limonene, which is most present in the peel. It activates the liver enzyme that helps in eliminating many toxic compounds. This is why you should drink lemon juice mixed in warm water every day in the morning immediately after you wake up. Or, you can mix half cup of lemon juice with 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Add half a cup of warm water. Consume 1 cup daily for a period of 1 month. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.